Hey guys, happy Christmas, and I'm Mark, the part-time British guy. Okay, short video, but I thought it was kind of nice and kind of cool. Family went to the local store and picked me up a piece of chocolate. We've got obviously the Crown, got the Royal Guard, the Union Jack in chocolate, and of course, double-decker bus. But that's not all. We also have, and I may need to pull this open, but it's an all butter shortbread. So I'm gonna take a look at this real quick. Okay, there's that goes. Yeah, shortbread cookies. So, do a little taste test. I'll see if I can open these. Yeah, save the rest for the family, but it's got Union Jack on it, which I thought is really cool. They all have the Union, yeah, they all have the Union Jack. So, just gonna put this in here. And take a bite. Very nice. I think it's cricket. So we're Christmas Eve. I know some of you are too. So, I started the thing on this day in history, this day in British history, and I was doing it on the community tab, and I was wondering, maybe I could actually do these as a video. So, I began to think some more. And the more I thought about it, the more I said, I want to do it. Okay. So, on this date in British history, December 19th, was what happened? Was it A, Yellow Submarine premiered, B, The Who began their world tour, C, Margaret Thatcher declared war on the Falklands, or was it D, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens was published? Leave your answer. Leave a comment now. No, really, right now. Leave a comment. If you picked D, Christmas Carol, yeah, in 1843, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens was published, over 6,000 copies sold. Alright, I'll try to do more of these. If this is something that people like, then just let me know. But if anything, Happy Christmas to all of you. I'm Mark Slice. Thanks for watching the video.